Okay, so we've got another limit problem here. So this is the limit. As x goes to pi, of sine of 2x over sine of x times cosine of x. Now you can see that there's a problem there because at pi, sine of x is actually 0. So that would make our denominator 0. So we're going to have to figure out something going on here that we can factor or rewrite in some way that we can get a sine of x to appear down here. So we're going to use the double angle identity for sine. Sine 2x equals 2 sine x cosine x. So we'll go ahead and substitute that in here. So we have 2 x and so you can see then that those cancel and we're just left with the 2. So the limit of 2 is 2. So and so 2 is our limit.